The concept of a perfect watch collection can be highly subjective. It may vary depending on individual taste, interests, and of course, budget. However, a basic watch collection might include these three timepieces. First, the dress watch, a classic elegant watch that is understated, known for their simple design. Dress watches usually have minimal complications and are perfect for formal occasions. Number 2, the diver's watch. A robust water-resistant watch designed for underwater use but also great for everyday wear due to its durability. And number 3, the chronograph. A watch featuring an added stopwatch function. A versatile and functional choice for those who appreciate technical complexity. When building a perfect collection, collectors often consider factors such as brand history, movement quality, design, versatility, and how each piece complements each other. Ultimately, it's about personal preference and the appreciation of the craftsmanship that goes into each timepiece. But what if your collection was made up of just one brand? Omega is a brand synonymous with precision, craftsmanship, and heritage. This collection encompasses a trio of horological marvels, each designed to tackle different facets of your life. It could be conquering the depths of the ocean, or timing the most critical moments, or displaying sophistication. This Omega collection offers functionality and luxury. First is the dive watch. Of course, this segment will be taken by the Omega Seamaster Professional, but not any Omega Seamaster. I'm using the white dial version known as the Great White, of course inspired by the Great White Shark. As we said before, this watch is not only great to wear underwater, but is robust enough to wear every day. The white dial makes this watch a really versatile option. It features a robust 42mm case with a helium escape valve, which I personally love, and a rotating bezel with a ceramic insert. The two-tone lume certainly make this watch a conversation starter, and the bracelet, which in my opinion is the best in the business, makes this watch probably one of the best daily wearers. Then we have the chronograph, which of course you know which one will be. This category shines with the Omega Speedmaster Professional, famously known as the Moon Watch for its history with the NASA. This watch is a perfect one, period. Since its debut in 1957, the watch displays a simple yet functional design that has remained largely unchanged, proving that excellence endures. This icon of chronographs comes equipped with a manually wound movement, which makes this a more personal and romantic watch. I love it because you have to wound the movement, you have to feed it every time you wear it. The simple and easy to read black dial makes this watch a strap monster, so you can literally wear this watch everywhere. And now we go to the dress watch. At the beginning of the video, I described the dress watch. A classic elegant watch that is understated, known for their simple design. Dress watches usually have minimal complications and are perfect for formal occasions. But, hear me out. When sophistication and elegance meet functionality, you get the Omega Seamaster World Timer. Yes, this watch can be considered a sports watch. A 43mm case, a rubber strap, it all points in the sports watch direction. This watch displays a stunning map of the northern hemisphere on its dial, surrounded by the names of different world cities. The Omega Seamaster World Timer isn't just a watch, it's a statement of a connected and cultured lifestyle. And that is exactly what you want to show when you're wearing an elegant timepiece. Listen, wearing a Hublot, a golden Daytona, or even the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak for an elegant event, I would say is tacky. I wouldn't do it. Now, wearing a Jaeger LeCoultre, wearing a Breguet is the correct answer. It's what the etiquette says. But wearing this Omega with a world timer complication and the planet inside its style, to me, that's just classy. With exceptional tools tailored for everyday life. It could be swimming or everyday wear for the Omega Seamaster. I would use the Speedmaster more of a relaxed watch, Sundays, Saturdays, Fridays. And of course, the world timer for more elegant or cultural occasions. And this would be my 3-watch collection from Omega. But tell me, if you could build a 3-watch collection from this brand, which watches would you choose?